So this was the main building. This was a little bar area down here. And there's the billboard up there, as you can see. What's left of the music venue section right here. There was a stage right about there. In my previous video, I stood right about there. And I remember talking about this in the first video, that there was tables over here that were actually made out of the floorboards of the Chesterfield Inn. Now, I can't verify if those are the actual tables or not, but if they are, that's a shame. And there's still a dude fishing over there. Oh, just a leftover set piece from the mini golf. These were the tables that were at the upstairs bar. I guess they're gonna save these. Very interesting. This is what's left of the basement area that was part of the mini golf. As you can see over here, there's some signage there. Yeah, there was a set of stairs right there that went up. So there was several mini golf holes in the basement, and then several